Things to know about your digital notebook that will help you be successful. First of all, if you see red type anywhere, those are things that are the most important because they determine essentially your grade. So if you look on this slide here where it says 3 subatomic particles, what that's saying is you should know what those are. And you should know their charge, mass, and location because later on you will be tested on them. Another things that will be in red are study tips, because again, these will be things that will help you be successful to do better in class. And finally, if assignment is graded, that is indicated not only at the beginning of the lesson, but also right next to it. So this one is graded for 5 points in the formative category. Some other things to know. If you look down here in the speaker notes, tech tips will be in purple, and those will be things that will just help you do things in slides. For example, if you're completing an activity and you might not know how to do it, there will be a tech tip that kind of tells you, go to this menu, maybe format or insert or view, and do this or that. So those will be directions for how to navigate the technology. What else? Another thing to know, each lesson starts with the title and lesson number and title slide. So this one is lesson 2, and it's about the atom. If you look down here again in red, you have the purpose of the lesson, like what should you know when you're done with this particular lesson and all the activities associated with it. And then you go through the activities, right? And you end on lesson 2, the atom exit ticket slide. And this one is just review, but it's really, really helpful to do it. And then another thing to know, let's see, answer keys. Let's find a slide that has an answer key so you can kind of take a look at that. How about here? So this one, this is sort of a matching activity where you drag these element names to essentially the statement about them. But if you look over here, it says when done, check your answers by clicking here. So if you click there, that will actually take you to a link that you can use to check whether you did it correctly or not.